What is a capacitor? Define its capacitance. The capacitor is a device for storing very large amount of charge. The capacitance of a conductor is defined as the ratio of the charge given to the conductor to the potential developed in the conductor. Explain the principle of capacitor. Deduce an expression for the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor. Principle of a capacitor. Consider an insulated conductor, for example, plate A, with a positive charge Q having potential V. The capacitance of A is C is equal to Q by V. When another insulated metal plate B is brought near A, the negative charges are induced on the side of B near A. An equal amount of positive charge is induced on the other side of B. The negative charge B decreases the potential of A. The positive charge in B increases the potential of A, but the negative charge on B is nearer to A than the positive charge on B. So, the net effect is the potential of A decreases. Thus, the capacitance of A is increased. If the plate B is earth, positive charges get neutralized. Then, the potential of A decreases further. Thus, the capacitance of A is considerably increased. The capacitance depends on the geometry of the conductors and nature of the medium. A capacitor is a device for storing electric charges. Capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. The parallel plate capacitor consists of two parallel metal plates X and Y, each of area A, separated by a distance d, having surface charge density sigma. The medium between the plates is air. When the plates are very close to each other, the field is confined to the region between them. The electric lines of force starting from plate X and ending at plate Y are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the plate. By the application of Gauss law, the electric field between the two plates is E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. The potential difference between the two plates are V is equal to sigma d by epsilon naught. The capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. The capacitance is directly proportional to the area A of plates and inversely proportional to their distance of separation.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational contents.